a shocking discovery. The hallowed halls of Harvard University have borne witness to countless groundbreaking discoveries. From the realms of science to the arts, this prestigious institution has always been at the forefront of innovation and knowledge. Now a new study emerges, sending shockwaves through the scientific community and challenging conventional wisdom on nutrition. This isn't just any study, it's one that could potentially rewrite the textbooks and change the way we think about food and health forever. Researchers at this Ivy League institution have uncovered startling findings about the carnivore diet, a regimen once relegated to the fringes of nutritional science. This diet, which focuses exclusively on animal products, has long been a subject of controversy and skepticism. The results are so profound, so unexpected, that they have ignited a firestorm of debate and left experts scrambling to make sense of the data. The scientific community is abuzz with discussions as these findings challenge long-held beliefs about what constitutes a healthy diet. This is not just another study, it's a seismic shift in our understanding of human health and the power of nutrition. The implications of this research are vast, potentially affecting dietary guidelines, public health policies, and even the food industry itself. For years, the carnivore diet, as its name suggests, consisting solely of animal products, was dismissed as a fad, a dangerous experiment in dietary extremism. Critics argued that it lacked essential nutrients and posed significant health risks. But the Harvard study throws those assumptions into disarray. The data reveals that individuals following this diet experienced remarkable health improvements, challenging the notion that a plant-based diet is the only path to wellness. The findings suggest that this meat-centric way of eating might hold the key to unlocking a treasure trove of health benefits, from dramatic weight loss to improved energy levels and beyond. The study participants reported not only physical transformations, but also enhanced mental clarity and overall well-being. The implications are far-reaching, potentially revolutionizing how we approach diet and wellness. If these findings hold up under further scrutiny, they could pave the way for new dietary recommendations and a re-evaluation of what constitutes a balanced diet. The scientific community will undoubtedly continue to explore these groundbreaking results, seeking to understand the mechanisms behind the benefits observed and how they can be applied to improve public health on a global scale. Before we continue, I'm curious. Have you ever experienced any benefits from a carnivore diet? If so, please share your story in the comments to inspire others. Let's support each other as a community. Can't wait to hear from you. A controversial approach. Imagine a world where your plate is a canvas for the finest cuts of meat, poultry, and fish. A world where every meal is a celebration of animal-based foods, meticulously prepared to bring out their rich flavors and textures. No leafy greens, no vibrant fruits, no grains or legumes. Just the pure, unadulterated essence of animal protein and fat. This is the world of the carnivore diet, a dietary approach as controversial as it is intriguing. It's a world that defies conventional wisdom and challenges the status quo of nutritional science. Proponents tout its transformative effects, claiming it can melt away fat, boost energy levels, and even alleviate chronic ailments. They argue that by eliminating plant-based foods, the body can achieve a state of optimal health and performance. Critics, however, view it with skepticism, pointing to potential nutritional deficiencies and long-term health risks. They warn that a diet devoid of plant-based foods could lead to a lack of essential nutrients such as vitamins C and K and dietary fiber. They argue that eliminating entire food groups like fruits and vegetables deprives the body of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system, digestive health, and overall well-being. The debate rages on with passionate voices on both sides. Some experts believe that the carnivore diet can be a powerful tool for certain individuals, particularly those with specific health conditions or dietary intolerances. The carnivore diet challenges the very foundation of our nutritional understanding. It questions the long-held belief that a balanced diet must include a variety of food groups, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. For decades, the food pyramid, with its emphasis on grains, fruits, and vegetables, has reigned supreme. It has been the cornerstone of dietary guidelines and public health recommendations around the world. The carnivore diet flips that pyramid on its head, making animal products the cornerstone of its nutritional philosophy. It advocates for a diet that is high in protein and fat and low in carbohydrates. This radical departure from conventional dietary wisdom has made it the subject of intense scrutiny and debate. Researchers are keen to understand the long-term effects of such a diet on human health. Yet despite the controversy, the carnivore diet continues to gain traction, fueled by anecdotal evidence and a growing body of scientific research. Many individuals report significant improvements in their health and well-being, attributing their success to this unconventional dietary approach. Personal stories of weight loss, increased energy, and relief from chronic conditions abound, adding to the diet's allure. These testimonials, combined with emerging scientific studies, keep the conversation alive and evolving. As the debate continues, one thing is clear. The carnivore diet has sparked a re-evaluation of what it means to eat healthily. It has opened the door to new discussions and research, challenging us to think differently about nutrition and health. The Harvard study. The Harvard research on the carnivore diet was not designed to be just another research paper gathering dust on a shelf. It was intended to be a groundbreaking investigation that could potentially revolutionize the field of nutritional science. It was conceived as a rigorous scientific exploration, a quest to unravel the truth behind the claims and counterclaims surrounding this controversial way of eating. The researchers were determined to leave no stone unturned in their pursuit of knowledge. Led by a team of esteemed researchers, the study aimed to cut through the noise and provide objective, data-driven insights into the effects of a strictly carnivorous diet on human health. They meticulously planned every aspect of the study to ensure its validity and reliability. The researchers understood the importance of their task. They were aware that their findings could have far-reaching implications, not just for the scientific community, but for the general public as well. They knew that the study's findings had the potential to reshape our understanding of nutrition and challenge deeply held beliefs about what constitutes a healthy diet. This was not just about adding another piece of research to the existing body of knowledge. It was about potentially changing the way people think about food and health. To ensure the study's rigor and objectivity, the researchers employed a double-blind, placebo-controlled methodology. This meant that neither the participants nor the researchers knew who was receiving which treatment, thereby eliminating any potential bias. This approach, considered the gold standard in scientific research, helps minimize bias and ensure that the results are reliable and accurate. The researchers were committed to maintaining the highest standards of scientific integrity throughout the study. Participants were randomly assigned to either the carnivore diet group or a control group following a standard Western diet. This random assignment was crucial to ensure that any differences observed between the groups could be attributed to the diet itself, rather than other factors. Neither the participants nor the researchers knew who was assigned to which group, eliminating the possibility of conscious or unconscious bias influencing the results. This level of blinding is essential in maintaining the credibility of the study's findings. Throughout the study, the researchers collected a wide range of data, including blood samples, health markers, and dietary logs. This comprehensive data collection allowed them to paint a detailed picture of the effects of the carnivore diet on various aspects of health. Participants underwent regular health assessments to monitor changes in their physical and mental well-being. These assessments were designed to capture both short-term and long-term effects of the diet. As the study progressed, the researchers held regular meetings to discuss preliminary results and adjust their methods as needed. This iterative process ensured that the study remained on track and that any issues were promptly addressed. At the conclusion of the study, the researchers compiled their findings into a comprehensive report. This report not only detailed the results of the study, but also provided recommendations for future research and potential dietary guidelines. The findings were presented at several scientific conferences, sparking lively debates and discussions among experts in the field. The study's impact was felt far and wide, influencing both scientific research and public perceptions of the carnivore diet. A health transformation. The anticipation was palpable as the researchers prepared to unveil the study's findings. What they discovered was nothing short of astonishing. The data painted a clear and compelling picture. The carnivore diet group experienced significant improvements across a range of health markers, far surpassing the results observed in the control group. Participants following the carnivore diet showed substantial reductions in body weight, body mass index, and waist circumference. These improvements were not marginal. They were substantial and statistically significant, indicating a powerful link between the carnivore diet and weight loss. But the benefits didn't stop there. The study also revealed marked improvements in blood glucose levels, insulin sensitivity, and lipid profiles, all crucial indicators of metabolic health. These findings suggest that the carnivore diet may hold promise for managing and even reversing type 2 diabetes, a chronic condition affecting millions worldwide. Influencing research. The world of nutrition research is not immune to the influence of powerful players. Large food corporations, with their vested interests in promoting certain dietary guidelines, often wield significant sway over research funding, study design, and even the publication of results. This influence can manifest in various ways, from subtle biases in study design to outright suppression of findings that contradict industry narratives. For example, a study funded by a sugar industry group might be more likely to downplay the negative health effects of sugar consumption. Similarly, research that challenges the status quo or threatens the profitability of certain food products might face obstacles in securing funding or getting published in prestigious journals. This undue influence of big food corporations on nutrition research has created a climate of skepticism and distrust. Many people question the validity of dietary recommendations, wondering if they are based on sound science or simply reflect the interests of powerful industry players. Final thoughts. As viewers reflect on the insights shared in this video, we encourage you to take proactive steps towards exploring more research on the carnivore diet and related topics. By staying informed and open-minded about different dietary approaches, you can empower yourself to make informed decisions about your health and well-being. Consider delving deeper into the science behind the carnivore diet, consulting with healthcare professionals or nutrition experts, and experimenting with personalized dietary approaches to discover what works best for you. In conclusion, Harvard's carnivore diet study opens up a world of possibilities for individuals looking to optimize their health through innovative dietary strategies. By embracing alternative approaches, staying curious about emerging research, and taking proactive steps towards exploring personalized dietary plans, you can embark on a journey towards improved health and well-being. Remember, your health is your greatest asset. Take charge of it today.